let's grab a custom domain so our website looks professional. Back in Shopify, on the left side, go to Domains. Then if you have a domain already, you can click Connect Existing Domain, but if you need a new one, click Buy New Domain. Then type in the domain name you'd like to use. If it's available, you'll see this green Available tag, and then you can click Buy. Enter your contact information and then click Buy Domain. Once you've purchased it, you can click See Domain Status. Next, you may get a warning banner saying to verify your email to finish the registration for your domain. Open up your inbox, find the email, and complete the steps. You'll land on a page that looks like this. Go ahead and click Verify Information at the bottom of the page. Once your contact information has been verified, you can close your extra tabs and return to your store settings. You can see here that even though I verified my email, it's taking a little time to process, and this is fairly normal. Domain changes can take 24 to 48 hours to process, so just check back later if you still see this. After setting up your domain, the final thing to do is unlock your store and make it visible for customers. Click the X at the top right to close out of settings. Back in the home section, click Unlock Store in the top right, and then toggle off password protection to make your site visible. Then click Save in the top. You should get a banner that says Online Store is open to everyone, and you can click the View Store button to confirm this. And just like that, your one-product Shopify store is now live on the internet.